Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to enable Hyper-V, set it up properly, and install Windows 11 Pro inside a virtual machine. Let's get started. First, in the search bar, type Turn Windows Features On or Off and select the first result. Scroll down, find Hyper-V and check the box. Click OK and wait for the installation to finish. When it's done, click Restart Now. Once the system reboots, open the search bar again, type Hyper-V, and launch the app. Select your PC name and then go to Virtual Switch Manager. Choose External and click Create Virtual Switch. There are three types of virtual switches in Hyper-V. External connects your virtual machine directly to your physical network, giving it full internet access. Internal allows communication only between the host computer and the virtual machines. Private limits communication only between the virtual machines themselves with no access to the host or internet. For our setup, we'll use External. Now, select your active network card and click OK. Next, we'll create a new virtual machine. Go to Action, New Virtual Machine. Click. Next, give your machine a name and click Next again. Choose Generation 2, then Continue. Here, you can assign RAM. Leave the default or change it as you like, then click Next. For connection, leave it as Not Connected for now, and Continue. Now, set the size of your virtual hard disk and click Next. Choose Install an operating system later and go forward. Review your settings, then click Finish. We have just created our first virtual machine. Now, go to Settings, and under SCSI Controller, add a DVD drive so we can install Windows 11 later using an ISO file. Now, let's download the Windows 11 ISO file. Open Chrome and type Windows 11 Download. Open the official Microsoft website and choose Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Select Windows 11. Choose the language as English. Select 64-bit and start the download. Once the file is ready, return to Hyper-V, open your VM settings, select the DVD drive, and browse for the ISO file we just downloaded. To boot from it, go to Firmware and move DVD drive to the top of the boot order. Click OK. Now, right-click on your VM and choose Connect. The installation begins. Select your language, keyboard layout, and click Next. Accept the license terms and click Next. At this point, press Shift plus F10 to open Command Prompt. Type the command shown on the screen. This will bypass the hardware requirements check. The registry editor will open. Navigate to HKIDI Local Machine, System, Setup. Right-click, create a new key and rename it to Lab Config. Inside, create three new stored values. Bypass RAM. Check. Bypass TPM. Check. Bypass Secure Boot. Check Set the value data of each to 1. Close everything and return to the installer. Choose I don't have a product key, then select Windows 11 Pro. Accept the terms, pick your disk, and click Next. Now, wait for Windows 11 to finish installing. Once installation is done, choose your region and keyboard layout. Since we don't have internet at this stage, press Shift plus F10 again, type the command on screen, and you'll see an option for I don't have internet. Continue by setting up your PC name, add a password if you want, and wait for the setup to complete. Finally, adjust your screen resolution, and that's it! You now have Windows 11 Pro running inside Hyper-V. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.